first time I became aware of Edward, it was through one of our modern foreign language tutors, girl Kappa, and she started to talk about this character in a classroom, this gentleman of a certain age, and just what a character he was really, and how he was tackling learning Spanish. And it was just unbelievable when you started to hear a little bit about his age, about his experiences, and about the character he was becoming within the classroom.
You don't stand back like a shrinking violet. You just, regardless of all ages, the learning thing is you seize opportunities, you don't hang around, and you keep going. Tickety-tock, tickety-tock.
He talked to me about how he responded to losing his wife, some years ago, and how he threw himself into learning, which is what he attributes his health to, really.
There's so many things with the coming of age you have to give up. You have to give your rugby up, you have to give your mountaineering, you have to give your skiing up, you have to give your skating up. You don't have to give your dancing up because you don't have to just make the movements with a little bit of dexterity, with a bit of sinuosity. Just move, it's well known to be a therapeutic. But you wouldn't know that until you try it. To sit back when you've got a qualification and say, I am educated now. You've got high experience in just one subject, and you're not truly a human being. You're just a machine doing that one thing. Taste some of the other wonderful, wonderful skills that you do. Specialisation is not the best advice, I think, for a happy life.
Thanks, Edward, for being a student at Yale College for such a long time and being an inspiration to other learners throughout the college and across Wrexham, really, and wider than that now. Have a really great night, and well done. It's a great achievement.
Why they chose me, I haven't got a clue. But I'm very honoured and very grateful, and prepared to help as much as I possibly can to get the message across.